Hi guys, in another video by Tech Pro. Earlier this year, rumors painted a colorful palette of iPhone models slated for release this fall. According to reliable tipsters, Apple was working on black, gray, red, blue, yellow, orange and pink color options for its 2018 iPhone lineup. That's more variety than we'd ever seen from the company. However, we didn't know which of the three supposed iPhone models that will launch this fall would be getting which colors. Now, of all the colors listed above, we still can't say for sure which ones will be making the final cut, but we can tell you that the 6.1-inch iPhone line is very likely going to be available in white, red and blue. A newly leaked live image, supposedly depicting 3 iPhone 9 units, or prototypes, show off high-gloss backs and saturated colors. This time around, if you look closely, you'll notice that the metal frame also carries the same color as the glass back. Neat. The iPhone 9 is the cheapest iPhone model that Apple will launch this year. It has an LCD screen, instead of an old panel, and only one camera on the back. Then, there will be an iPhone X successor that will introduce improvements to performance and camera, mostly seen as an S upgrade over last year's model. Finally, Apple will also bring the much-anticipated premium iPhone Plus model with a 6.5-inch OLED display and all-out specs. The three models carry the following codenames within Apple: N84 LCD model, D32 iPhone X successor, and D33 Plus model. Thanks for watching everybody. Don't forget like and subscribe, share if you liked.